Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a car decorating slash cleaning video. If you watched my shopping vlog, I talked about how I had got a new car. I got the car in the summer, but I'm just now getting stuff to decorate it. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I got to decorate my car with, and then the first thing I'm gonna do before I decorate it is go to car wash because I need to clean my car out because it looks a mess. So but first I'm gonna show y'all stuff I got, and everything is from Amazon. Sorry. Yes. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with this. Like I said, if you watch my shopping vlog, I talked about my car and stuff. And one of the places we went to in my shopping vlog is Five Below. And I had got like a little baggie for my car and I put some things in it. So I had to get some more things just to restock the thing. So I got some Clorox wipes. I have some wipes in there, but I don't know what happened to them. Anyway, so I got these. Tile to go. Like I said, I had a tile to go stick in there, but I don't think it's in there no more, y'all. So I got another. A Carmex. And then 2 pads, because you just never know. You might need that and then you don't have it. So yeah. So let's get into the actual cute stuff. So I got this. I'll just open everything because I gotta decorate it later anyway. So I got this. It goes on the gear shift. Is that what that's called? Gear shift. It goes on that. And everything is pink, y'all, because it's my favorite color. So, and then I got these for my seat belts. They're like seatbelt covers. These really cute like bow pillow things to go on the seats, and they're so freaking cute. Like, look at that. That's so cute. That's so cute. So that's, yes, period. Let's get into it. So it's 2 of those. These, like, it's a whole bunch of them, but these little things, they go on, like, you know, like little air conditioning thing. And then I got just some of these coasters, and they're not like the flat ones, because I had some of them flat ones before, but they would get dirty so fast. So, and then this is not pink, y'all, but I love dinosaurs. So I got this little hanging thing, and it's a little dinosaur. It's so cute. Wait, can y'all see it? It's so freaking cute. Anyways. And then I got, it's a little camera thing, so I can put you guys up in my car, and I can do like car looks and stuff, y'all, like, period. Okay, so now we gotta get into like the big stuff. So I got these mats. I'm not gonna take them all out, but that's what they look like. They're like butterflies, and they pink and black. I think they are. Oh, the small ones is like flowers, but they are pink and black. So that's all of that stuff. And then this is the last box. So to match the mats, I got the whole like this the steering wheel cover. Just the steering wheel cover. Really cute, really cute. And then I just got black seats for the back because the plan is to like, well, y'all can see it. So black seats for the back. And then for my front seat, I got these like pink, and they have like butterflies. So everything like tied together. It's gonna be really cute, y'all. It's gonna be really cute. So that's all the stuff I got for my car. I'm gonna take y'all along with me to clean it out first, cause my car's a mess. Like I said, gotta clean it out first, and then we'll come back here. I'll come back here, and then I'll decorate. So yeah, I'll see y'all at the car wash. Done with the car wash. I'm with Elena. I'm finna clean up my car now. So I got Clorox wipes and paper towels. And I'm finna clean my car out. I'm gonna try to sit y'all somewhere. I don't know where. Okay. I guess up here. I'm gonna try. And I'm finna clean this car out. So yeah. Y'all, my car is a mess. I was telling them how my car is a mess. I need some extra strength. I'm moving, y'all, because mine is not working for real. And I'm not here for the games. They like, she cleaned out her car quick? No, didn't. Let's try this again. No games. Okay, y'all, I'm done. Oh, my hair was up. Anyways, I'm done vacuuming and wiping stuff down. I do need to wipe some more stuff off in my back seat, but I'm gonna do that when I get back to the house, because I don't have anything to wipe the seats with. So I'm gonna wipe them because there's something on my seats. And I'm gonna do that when we get back to the house. But I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like now. It's a little, like I said, some stuff that need to be wiped down. But this is what we're looking like right now, guys. And then I need to wipe my seats off, but I ain't got nothing to wipe them off with. So do that when we get back. Very clean here. Huh? No, I'm gonna spray it. Okay, y'all. So I finished wiping down the seats. I finished wiping down the seats. I didn't record that because I think y'all seen enough of me cleaning. So we finna actually get into the decorating. First, I'm going to show y'all my keys. Oh, and also I have a Kia 2022, I think, or 2023. I don't know. This is 2022 or 2023 Kia, and I don't know what type of Kia, but this is my keys. So I got this lanyard that says BSW program, Bachelor of Social Work. And then I just got this little dinosaur thing, because I told you I like dinosaurs. So I got that. I got this little hand sanitizer, and then it has a little holder. A dog bit it up, but. And then my key. This other thing is a homecoming thing from school. My house key, mailbox key, and my home key for like back home. So those are my keys. And then we get into decorating for real. Okay. So first I'm going to put this on. I feel like these be really hard to put on, y'all, so bear with me. Bear with me. Oh wait, is this something you take out or? No, okay. Yeah,
10 hours later.
This is never coming off because that was so hard. Okay. Real cute, real cute. Okay. And then this is my bag, y'all. So actually, I already had a tie stick in here. So the one I got, I'ma just keep, and I'll probably like put it in my purse or something. So I got the pads, the Clorox wipes, And then the Carmex. So all that's in here right now is, I think these are, both of these are like first aid kits. So one is Johnson & Johnson, and then the other one, it's like off-brand. It didn't, I dropped the Carmex. It didn't work for real when I had it, but I just put it in there. But then we have some panty liners. I'm just taking everything else. I'm gonna put it back in. A little lotion and a little deodorant, because you never know. The tie stick, some scrunchies. It's a lot of scrunchies actually. Some scrunchies, this cone that it came with, and then a hand sanitizer. So that's all that's in there. And then I'm just put these back in. And then that's my little carry-on to go thing. And then I just put it in my middle thing. So it just go right here. And then this is what we got so far. We got this, these, and then this. Oh, and y'all, I do have this duck. I know I don't have a Jeep, but it's really cute. I love my duck. And I wanted a Jeep, but the Jeep that I tried to get, it was something wrong with it. So it was so pretty, y'all. It was so cute. Long live that Jeep. I mean, not long live that Jeep, but it was so cute. I really wanted it. It was like a 2016. It was so cute. But anyways, let's continue. Oh, I forgot to put the Carmex in there, y'all. And then the Carmex. Let's see. What to do. I think I'm gonna put these up. Y'all, why I put all these little flower things up, and I'm just not realizing that the things inside of these is like little scents, and they go in it, and I didn't realize that. So now I need to take, I don't know what I thought was in these, y'all, but now I need to take them down and put the little scent things in it, because they smell good. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I be tripping, but they all have like different scents. So the one I just put in that one, it was Juicy Peach. So I'm gonna just put it in this one too, and I'm gonna put it on the side ones, and then leave the middle ones and not put anything in those. And then they have Lavender and Ocean. So I'm gonna just put those in my middle thing to use later, because I don't want like a whole bunch of different scents. So I'm gonna just use these two. I'm gonna put this back where it was. Okay, so I'll close the old mats and close the new mats. What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a starlight. You shouldn't have to feel like that. I never make you feel like that. I love you. I love you enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. I have no idea how to put these poles in the thing like they want me to, so I'm just not going to. Like, it's on, so like that's all that matters for real. So I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, let me do the seatbelt. Hi guys, so now I'm in the back. So I'm gonna put this up here, and then I'm gonna put these black seat covers back here. What the fuck is this? And there's more instructions. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, so my battery had went dead, and then all my other batteries was dead too. So like, I was just messed up. But so I got the seat covers for back here on. They don't look that like good, but it's okay, it's okay. So I think the only thing I have to do now is put these on. So I'm just slide those on. And then the last thing I need to do is put the camera thing up. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys the full car. Okay, so what was I saying? Oh, y'all keep losing my train of thought. But I put the camera thingy up. The camera is not currently on it because y'all, I don't think it's sticking good enough. Like it's like a small little thing, and it won't stick. Wait, is it? Y'all, I'm done. It's another layer. Oh wait, is this the sticky layer or not? Because I took a piece of something off already. No, this is supposed to be the sticky. But it's not sticking, y'all. Okay, well. That isn't working. It literally won't stick, y'all. Well, what else? Guess we won't be doing car vlogs anytime soon. But everything else is done. So I'm gonna show y'all the finished car. Okay, so y'all, that is the finished product. Let me know how you guys like it, and thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe.